Let's now talk about Anand Rathi earnings, and we have with us Anand Rathi himself, the founder and chairman, joining in on the show, and also Rakesh Rawal, the CFO at Anand Rathi Wealth. Gentlemen, both of you, good to have you on the show. Rakesh, if I could start off with you, you've managed to achieve your FY24 AUM guidance of 47,000 crores in the first half itself. Help us understand what are the underlying factors and what's the new target that you are now eyeing.
Yeah, so I think the AUM is a combination of what new monies we get as well as the increase in the fund value on account of the market. So the first 6 months, the market has been very positive, which has led to the numbers being achieved earlier. And not to say that we've done exceptionally well in terms of gathering fresh funds as well. Having achieved this, obviously in the next 6 months, we expect to do more. And therefore, our revised guidance for the end of the year is now 51,000 crores.
Right. Mr. Rathi, you've also managed to achieve over 50% of your revenue and profitability target. Would you be looking to revise this?
Yes, we will. And in fact, last time we gave profitability target of 205 crores for the whole year. As you rightly said, we achieved more than 50%. And therefore, we are revising our target to 220 crores for the whole year, increasing by 15 crores profit PAT for the year.
Right. Mr. Rathi, any revision in the revenue target then?
Yes, and revenue also, from 661 crores, we are revising it upwards to 720 crores. About 10% increase in the revenue as well.
And Mr. Rawal as well as Mr. Rathi wanted to get in the perspective from both of you, given that SIP flows have scaled to record highs, ETF contributions have doubled. What does this mean in terms of net inflows for you? Do you think we can see inflows continuing to improve?
Yeah. So, see, the segmentation that SIPs sort of work on is more retail and affluent. And since we are in the HNI space, our inflows are very, very small extent is SIPs. So what SIP is going up is indicating that the interest in the market is going up. And that, as far as we are concerned, our customers are also giving us new monies with the interest in the market. As far as I'm concerned, I think that the financialization of India is very, very low. And this interest in the market through SIP as well as other methodologies will continue to grow robustly over the years.
To add, I think the inflow in our equity mutual fund has increased, and now equity mutual fund accounts for 50% of our AUM compared to we had 48% a year back. So there is a, we also, in fact, even when the markets had outflow in mutual funds, we had positive inflow. And during the last quarter, we have inflow of more than 1,200 crores in the quarter. So we are expecting continuous inflow into mutual fund, and our objective is to keep on increasing the equity mutual fund portfolio in the entire overall portfolio.
Right. Rakesh, what would be your client addition target also then?
Well, I think we are, able to add in the range of 100 to 120 clients net every month. That's been the records, last few months. My own sense is that that number should be surpassed in the next 6 months.
All right. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for taking time out and giving us a lot more clarity on how business is shaping up.